What is up, everybody? We're here again. Today, we've got something new. The Huina model 1582 1/14 scale dump truck. Let's get into it. All right, so the 1582 is the 1/14 scale, supposedly metal cab, metal box dump truck. It's the nicer model, if you will. I went back and forth for a while on what dump truck I was gonna get, and I just saw this one pop up on eBay. I was able to make my own offer, and the guy accepted, and here we have it. And I got what I think is a fair deal. Basic instructions, make sure and read those if you feel that you need to know what's going on. Read those. And there we have it. I feel like this possibly was out of its original packaging at one point in time, because it was not necessarily in the box the correct way. The box was taped, but I don't know. Could be. Basic USB charger to your balance lead. This battery is proven difficult. Pretty nice transmitter. It's kind of a rubberized feel. These shoulder buttons do nothing. These do nothing. You've got what looks to be steering trim, which we will mess with this. A lot of videos on this truck, these get mentioned, but nobody ever messes with them. So we will look at these. Lights, or sounds, lights. This is a up and down only, so that's your forward and reverse. This is a left and a right for steering, and an up and a down for the dump box. And it kind of looks like it could go any direction, so there's probably going to be a little bit of a learning curve where you could be trying to steer and you might mess with the box a little bit. But nice looking radio. Feels good too. This battery out of here with a pick. There we go. And it is XT30 balance lead, 7.4 volt, 2000 milliamp hour LiPo. And it's the same battery that runs in my Die-Cast Masters all metal excavator. So I have the same battery here, which is nice. And I already charged this one in preparation for getting this truck. So Let's get the truck out. And I don't see anything else hiding in here. So that's good. Styrofoam stuck to it here in odd places. So, not in the shot very good. So yeah, this metal, metal, metal. That sounds plastic. Obviously the chassis is plastic, the fuel tanks are plastic, the wheels are plastic, the tires are kind of a rubbery-ish kind of a deal. Overall, appears to be in pretty good shape. Get this styrofoam out of here. Static, charged crap. Looking underneath. Not sure what I'm hearing, but I'm definitely hearing things. So let's pull the battery tray. All right, let's get into this battery tray here. And that, my friends, is a pleasant surprise. This thing has probably definitely been out of the box, but there's a battery in the battery tray. So this was not a 2-battery model, but I got 2 batteries with it. So that's a win as long as it works. Things are looking up. I'm going to leave this screw out for now. Just for demonstration purposes. I'll take my charged battery. This is nice. That's a score. Kind of pumped, I'm not going to lie on that. Batteries are not free. This is a big battery compartment too, by the way. You could definitely fit maybe a bigger pack in there. But let's see, where's the on-off switch? Right here. Yeah. This thing's got a good amount of weight to it, which is nice. And we need to put batteries in this. So we'll do that. I'll be back. 4 AA's. Undo the screw, pull a little tab, cover comes off, put 4 AA's in. Good to go. Moment of truth is, does it work? We've got rubber side view mirrors and a little stack. This thing, I don't know if I mentioned it, it's got decent weight to it. So let's just get into it. So transmitter on, flashing red light, truck So sounds are, nah, I mean, it's got a sound kit, but still pretty cool. How about the lights? Do the lights work independently of the sound? Does not appear to. How about sound? Well, I don't know what's going on here. So let's go forward. So I'll turn the sound off for a second. It's got proportional speed, so I can go slow. Flashing lights when you back up. Full lights when you're going forward. How about turning? Blinkers. And it is proportional steering. And the other way. Let's see what's going on in the back. Lights. How about when I back up? Flashing lights. So that's pretty cool. And then with the sounds on. So the sound kit is okay. I was able to turn the lights off there. So the lights can be independent. Of the sound kit, which is cool. But the sound kit's not that great. Like the forward acceleration sound doesn't work if you're steering. Hear that? If you're steering, you don't get it. So I'm turning that off. Let's do this because I said I would and nobody ever does. I see. So it's not going to be... So it doesn't really adjust your steering throw. It's just to center. whether or not you're going straight. Sorry, I got a little focused there. So let's do the tipper. So that's as high as it goes. This is a little loose, but obviously this is just for looks. The actual mechanism is under here. And then you can go back down. Pretty cool. So it is on just a wheeled mechanism, so you can just hold one direction. And it's just gonna continue the cycle. So that's pretty neat. And then the sounds, let's see what the lift gate looks like when we're dumping and if we have sound. So it's on this linkage here. You got a metal link to a pivot, which kind of just keeps the gate in position, and then all the material can dump out. This is, like I said, all metal. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Hopefully it performs well. This thing, I'm pretty pumped. Supposedly this will hold quite a bit of weight. I just want it to be able to dump. I'm kind of concerned with that lift angle. We might have to do something down in here to make that angle a little greater, but for now, that looks good. Yeah, so that should have no problem going high enough to dump into this. Obviously, usually your excavator's kind of up on a platform and loading down so you can see into the bucket anyway. So yeah, that should all work out. Excellent. Super cool. So, yep, there's my look at the Huina, however you say it. I have no idea. 1582 all metal dump truck. It's a really nice transmitter, actually. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Construction sites ramping up for work. I got lots of things coming. Lots of plans in the works. So subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you next time.